Hi guys. Hi. Welcome. Gonna stream some Solidity stuff. Because I have some changes in Simple Quests contract. Hi guys. Okay, so yeah, today will be something different because earlier we did most of the stuff we did was on front end, and today I'm having some contracts changes to be done because I had some review, some review done, some remarks, and have to rework some stuff. Not sure how it will go, but we'll try our best here. Yeah, so in a minute I'll explain a lot more about what we're doing today. And thanks for the follow, Alberti. Okay, to wrap things around, the main idea of quests in the contract side was that we have some kind of quest templates that are structs, something like an object in object-oriented programming, something like that. So a quest is composed of ID, tier, which is rarity, requirement type, requirement rarity, requirement amount, the same things for rewards, and reputation amount that will be rewarded for completing this quest. And earlier I did it so that quest templates are just quests without ID. And quests are the things you like mint during quest request and completing a quest and assigning a new one. And it was just copying all the stuff and assigning an ID to it. So it's a pretty heavy operation, gas-wise, and it like can't stay that way. And there's a better way for it to be done. Yeah, and I'll try to do it like with references on and stuff. My colleague gave me some ideas on how it can be done. Yeah, so mainly I'll try to adjust all the contract changes to the idea of my colleagues. And later we'll do the same for frontend, because frontend will also change, because frontend is like tailored with the stuff I made earlier. So yeah, there will be a wise number of changes on the frontend, I think. So maybe we'll touch frontend as well, but first we need to do some stuff on Solidity side. Yeah, so the idea is that quests will be like quest templates will be non-existent. Quests will be just there, created, and there will be only references to the IDs of the quests templates, let's say. So when you take a quest, you actually take an ID of a quest that references a quest requirements and rewards, all the information about the quest, but the progress, of course, stays on the character. Yeah, that's the basic idea. Yeah, so okay, let's try to rework it I have to go one by one with all the functions I've created earlier and see what went wrong, actually. This is Solidity. So a programming language for smart contracts is Solidity. It's not that well known besides the Web3 community, but there are some nice tutorials for this language. Okay. So, quest tiers are divided into an arrays of quests. So when you have, do I have my front-end spin up? No, I don't. Okay, let me spin it up. And I'll show you the basic idea of quest templates that, yeah, I explained in an earlier stream, so shouldn't be a problem. Am I on the correct account? Yeah, dev account. Okay, so yeah, here's the stuff to create a quest. So as I've shown on an earlier stream, you can have all the drop downs and you can fill information out and create a quest template. So it would add a quest template for a common quest that has this requirement and this reward. And it will show up in quest templates list. So yeah, there are some of the quests here. Yeah, so these are complete quests without the ID. And now we would have the ID assigned on the quest creation, but it will be present or not present in a list that will show you the quest templates, the admin, and that can be taken by you users. Okay. So let's think of quests list like an overall list of quests that all the quests will be there, and quest templates for now it's named like that. It will have just the IDs of the quests, right? Yeah. So each array will have the IDs of quests that are in this field. Yeah, that's the idea. So let's see quest creation. Maybe let's start there. It should be under admin functions or something like that. Yeah. Add new quest template, and as you can see, we are adding a quest template with all the necessary information, but the ID is 0, so it's non-existent. Yeah, and there's add promo quest template, and promo quests are a different pool of quests. We can toggle it at any time for promotions and all that stuff. We can prepare some quests, a bag of quests that we can switch, and then users will be able to take quests or roll quests from the new pool. That's the idea. And deleting quest template. Yeah, this will need to change a lot. Yeah, I hope it will work. Okay. So new quest template would have, I had a variable for quest IDs. Oh yeah, generate new quests. That's the thing that added an ID to the template and created a quest for the user. So this is the heavy operation we try to omit. So like taking an entire struct and assigning it as a new struct. So adding an ID and assigning it, copying it as a new struct. So Alberti, in my opinion, you should start with something like definitely not Solidity stuff, because Solidity, in my opinion, is not like it's counterintuitive in regards to other programming languages, because in other programming languages you try to get the burst performance and all that stuff. And Solidity has all kinds of problems. Like blockchain overall has a lot of problems that like are unrelated and shouldn't be on your daily basis as a beginner programmer. So basically just pick up any JavaScript framework, so be it Angular, React, or Vue. Yeah, and just try it out. Try to do something useful with that. Or Python. Yeah, Python is... I think it's beginner friendly. I haven't tried it, actually. I tried Java. I was starting with Java, and later I did a lot of front-end frameworks. So Vue, I can mention, and the big three. But yeah, like pick up any programming tutorial for, let's say, Udemy or any like video tutorials that are complete. Try to do something useful, and you'll like learn as you go. That's the basic idea of self-taught programmers. Okay. So creating a new quest would push it to the quest array, like mapping. Quests push, can I do that? I hope so. And all the stuff that Copilot suggested. So instead of giving it to quest templates with ID 0, we are giving it to quests array or mapping. I hope I can do the push here. I'll see later. And adding it with an ID. So it will create a quest. And it can also add it to the quest templates arrays, I think. Yeah, it will just add, but just the ID. So let's say we'll have a local variable. Yeah, in a specific tier. And it will add the ID of a quest we created. Yeah, this stream will be a little different because, yeah, it's it's a little bit harder for me to grasp the Solidity stuff, so I probably talk less, do more stuff. It will be the same, and only a tier would change. So we can modify it later, like use the add new quest template, or maybe I'll do it right away. And we'll just modify the tier we want to add. Oh no, just to not complicate things, we'll optimize stuff later. Yeah, let's not worry about it at the time. Yeah, because it's a good like strategy to do stuff. Like, don't over optimize stuff that's not working. That's a nice idea. Okay, so we are adding a new quest and adding a new template mapping. So we are pushing the quest ID to the quest templates. And delete quest templates. Oh yeah, it's taking the index. Damn it. Yeah, whatever. Let's just ignore it for the time being. Okay, so let's go through the request quest flow. So it's the first thing you do when the quests launch. You can request a quest for a particular character, like with a press of a button, of course, and yeah, you'll have a new quest assigned. So assign a new quest. Current reputation, reputation tier. So that's the logic behind like reputation system. Based on your reputation level or your character's reputation level, you'll have better quests, like based on the percentages for this particular level. Here's a role. And here we're generating a new quest. And from that quest, we are just using the... okay, yeah, we are using ID and requirement type, so we should take the quest from the quest list, but we can like make generate new quest, return just the ID of the quest that was assigned. So tier quest templates, it's taking a template, like a bracket for the particular like percentages. So legendary tiers or rare tiers or common tiers, something like that. So it's a list of, now it will be just the IDs. Yeah, length, whatever, and the quest, it will just return the ID. So like that, I suppose. Yeah, so generate new quest will take in the seed, the tier. It's taking a quest templates from the particular tier. It's taking the index. And it will be a random index from this particular tier. Yep. And returning its index. So here we'll have quest can go later. First we'll have quest ID. The quest ID will be taken from the method, and quest will be quest and quest ID. I think, yeah. So character quest, it can be just quest ID. Oh, and quest ID. So let's add quest ID here, and we're using quest here only. So let's do it like that. This part is like this is actually setting an variables on your character. So progress is tracked on the character basis, so it stays with the NFT. So here we have it like go to 0 because it's a new quest, and requirement type also stays on the character. And yeah, it's for the purpose of, for example, quests that require you to complete raids, because on raid completion you can check if user or character has a requirement type of completing a set amount of raids, and it will increment the progress there. And quest assign. Yeah, okay. So that's the flow of request quest. It will assign you the ID of a quest. Let's see, the assign new quest is also used in skip quest and complete quest, because yeah, when you skip quest, you essentially drain the amounts of stamina that's needed for skipping a quest. Let me show you. So it's here. Like it's not certain that it will be 40 stamina, but this amount of stamina will be deducted, and you'll have a new quest assigned. And complete quests, yeah, checks if progress is more or equal the requirement amount, and completes the quest and assigns a new one automatically. Yeah, get character quest data won't change in the new design. Quest ID, character quest, and character ID. Yeah, so we have a mapping that's called character quest, and it's just a mapping of your character IDs to the quest ID that's currently on the character. Interpretation, quest rewards, reward quest. That's one thing we'll have to change. But here, we're not actually using the quest struct, so it won't change probably. Yeah, reward quest will change. Or not? Because we're taking a quest ID and yeah, taking the quest from the actual mapping. So that should be fine. Yeah, so reward quest won't change. Okay, that's nice. Does the amount of characters relate to the amount of quests you get? And does the level of the character affect the rarity of quests of rewards? No. It's like first part, yes, because each character can have its quest, and it's only counted for active characters. So if you have like 4 active characters, let's say, you take all the quests for them, so they have their quests, and then you decide to switch one character with another from Garrison, for example. So you take the active character, put it in the Garrison, and take the one from Garrison. And then on the new character, you take a quest. So the quest is like bound to the character. So if you like switch them again, the one that's put in Garrison will still have the same quest that it had earlier. And regarding the quest rewards or quest rarity that you'll get from rolling the quest, it's decided by the reputation level. And reputation level is a new system that we're introducing. It's only quest related. So when you complete quests, you get a set amount of reputation, you level the reputation up, and you have better percentages for the quests. So if you have like, let's say in this scenario, because the numbers aren't final, let me reiterate, the numbers aren't final here, and it's just my environment. So when you have a level 5 reputation, for example, you have a 1% chance of rolling the epic quest on this character. So it's per character basis. Okay, so completing the quest, we have that figured out, I guess. Let's see skipping the quest. It's just using the assign new quest. So we already changed that, the new system. That's okay. Complete quest, reward quest. Oh, submit progress. This will change. It won't, I think. That's a lot of solidity. Yeah, it is. It's actually my first stream that I'm showing my solidity work. So the simple quests contract I did off stream. And yeah, that's the first bigger contract that I've made in solidity, except like earlier small changes only. Yeah, so I've learned a lot here. Yeah, and just to make sure about about this contract, it's reviewed by really talented people that created other contracts in our ecosystem. And thanks for the follow as well. First time chat, first time viewer. Yeah, okay, so let's see, what else do I need to change to operate on the quest IDs? Oh yeah, for example, the all the getters that returned all the information about the quest will now have to change a little. Yeah, let's first look at delete quest template. So it will just delete an ID of a quest from possible templates, like templates in a meaning of the quests that you can get from rolling. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, I'm trying to learn Solidity. I really like it, but it's difficult. Yeah, it's challenging. Or maybe not that much of difficult, but it has its own problems that we need to solve. Okay, so quest deletion was based on the index, so like an array index. I don't like it. Yeah, let me just show you quickly, because I explained it earlier. So it's just a struct with all the requirements and rewards. And for example, requirements are enums, rewards are enums, and rarity is an enum as well, just to keep things clean. I don't know what you mean with can I get NFTs? Thanks, Pika. Yeah, I like explaining stuff to people. That's that's my thing. Yeah, maybe I would be a teacher in a parallel reality. I don't know, but yeah, streaming can provide that for me. I can explain stuff, technical stuff to people, and that's a great way to learn. Yeah, for me, and also to teach people, of course. But yeah, it's nice to explain stuff because you learn a lot from explaining stuff. There was like, I don't remember, but like an idea of a pyramid or steps to mastering something. And yeah, the step when you can clearly explain something to someone is like the last step of learning something. So I really would like to know the Solidity that well. Yeah, TubeWorm, it's yeah, it's for games and stuff. So all our like characters, weapons, and such is represented by the ERC721, I think. Because I don't remember the numbers, but I think we're aligned here. Yeah. Okay, so deleting quest template should take like quest ID. And I'm wondering on the front-end implementation. So I would need the ID to be present in templates, but it's not a problem. So I can, instead of giving it an index, I'll just give it quest ID and it will delete the quest ID. So let's say it's index for the time being. Here index. Yeah, this is a hack. Like it's moving a template like at the end and popping it. So the deletion with like maintaining the length of an array. Pretty weird thing I found online, like on the Stack Overflow. Yeah, indeed, TubeWorm. When you mint your first character, or maybe you're playing already, so you already own an NFT, if you go to Plaza, you can recruit a character here, or in Blacksmith you can mint swords, or if you don't want to mint, you can just go to the market and search for your favorite character there. Okay, so I'm not sure about that, but I'll leave it as it is and focus on the views. So views are the getters, and when you interact with blockchain, so if you increment a your quest progress or anything like that, it takes gas. But taking data from blockchain and showing it to the user is free. So that's why you can just go to the CryptoBlades application and see all your stuff there, or all your data that's stored on the blockchain. So we have a views section here, and that I'm using, of course, on the front-end side. So this won't change, this as well. Template count, I hope it won't change. But do I really need it? Am I using it? Oh, I am. Okay, weird. Let's ignore it. Get quest data, and it's taking a quest ID. So it should stay the same, because it's just like taking a struct from the mapping. Get character quest data. Yeah, it should stay the same because it's unrelated. Oh yeah, get character request data details. This will change, I think. I really don't like this method. There's an if that's like has a big return, and I don't like it. Same here, the return is huge. But yeah, it should return like nothing when you don't have a quest, and frontend will react with giving you the request quest button. So it's the first time you take a quest. But if that's not the case, you just have the entire information about the quest you have. Okay, maybe there's nothing to change here in this method as well. In a moment I'll try to compile it, and we'll see yeah, what mistakes I've made or what's too big to stay like that. Because yeah, the contract size is a big issue in Solidity. Like it can have only 24 kilobytes, I think. And it's small. Like having this logic here is like at the edge of the capacity of this contract. So there's gas optimization for users and interaction with like contract, and there's like gas optimization when it comes to deployment, and also size optimization. So to make the as little contract as it is possible. Yes. Okay, submitting quest progress. We have to look into that. Okay, so submitting quest progress takes in character ID and token IDs. So it basically means that when you have a quest, you'll have a button to submit your progress. And on submission, you like submit stuff that's needed. So for example, here we need 1 times 5-star sort. So you can click submit, choose a sort you want to turn in, and then it will progress. Also, I probably like do a visual indicator because you can surpass the progress. So I could like burn this much 5-star sorts, and it will like count towards the same quest. So yeah, it's just a design, because for example, if you have a quest that requires you to do X amount of raids, you can do like more, and it will just count towards the progress, but it's met. So it will be like 3 out of 1 requirements. But I can like definitely add a visual indication here that you are turning in too much of sorts or something like that. So yeah, that's to be done. Also, let me write this stuff. Yeah, because all the small things. Yeah, so guys, will there be a change of quest? I mean, like paying X amount of skill to change the quest. Oh, Pika. Yeah, there is. There is skipping a quest. So, if you don't like a quest you got, so you don't have like the requirements or you don't like the rewards, you can always skip it and it will roll again. So you'll have a new quest, or essentially you can, there is a possibility that you'll have the same quest. We could restrain it, that skipping quest won't give you the same quest. But yeah, it will require some stuff, and I don't think we want the additional gas costs regarding that. But if there's a lot of quests to choose from, there's a small possibility that it will happen. Oh, no skipping progress, just like rolling again. Yeah, that's the idea of skip here. And it also provides like some restraints in how much quests you can do. Oh, you mean so change the requirement, but you like the reward, you want it, but you don't like the requirement, so you would like to roll the requirement again. No, it's not possible. It's only possible to skip the entire quest. Because it's not interchangeable, so like yeah, there's a lot of problems that we'll have to tackle if we would have it like interchangeable. So the requirement and reward are both rolled, and a new quest is created. That's a lot to consider. Thanks, Guild, for the follow. Great to have you here. Okay, so submitting a progress should be similar. Increment quest progress. Yeah, it should stay the same. Only the idea of adding the quest templates will change, probably, from what I see. Okay, let's just go for it and try to compile it and see what errors we get. Oh yeah, for sure there will be some. Yeah. Mappings. Yeah, but at least at this stage Solidity actually says what's wrong. Yeah, I didn't change to uint, I think. Oh, okay, I did. Let me go to the line. Oh yeah, quests, push, and it should. Oh yeah, it's not possible to push. It should just. Oh yeah, it should add. Yeah, sorry, my bad. It should add a quest for a quest ID, like mapping. Yeah. And also here, return time, quest memory. Oh, tier quest templates. Index, okay, let's see. Oh yeah, we should take. Oh no, it should be just an uint. Generate new quest. Yeah, I forgot to change the type. Okay, let's compile again. I saw other errors. Let me do it one by one. Yeah, quests push again in other line. Here. So it should be quest ID. Yep. So this stream will be a little bit different because you won't have all the visuals as as before. but later we'll have to adjust front end, so we'll do some stuff there as well. Oh, it finished. Nice. Successful. Okay, so let me see again. Next quest ID. Did I delete the usage of this? Yes, I did. Okay. So it's used only in templates. Okay, let's try it out, I think. What do I need to do? Oh, give me a moment. Oh, I don't think I have it. Okay, let me find the command I need. Yep, I found it. And that's migrate, and I want to deploy the simple quests again, entirely. So let me see, 127 is the migration. Okay, so just so you know what I'm doing here, we made the contract changes, we compiled the contract, so it's ready to be deployed. Basically, when you deploy a contract, you're using mainly the migrations. So these are like scripts that tell which contract you want to deploy on which like chain. So in this particular example, we're just doing my development environment. Yeah, so we're just deleting simple quests in the entirety and deploying it again, basically, with this method, with this command. So yeah, it's compiling again, because I left the flag there. And in a minute, we'll see the deployment and the costs of deployment, because when you deploy a contract, it's also gonna cost you. Of course, it's a development environment, so it costs me fake money. Oh, see, we are replacing contracts. Yeah, and we are replacing all that stuff because I'm upgrading them, because there were some changes to the contracts that are here because of the simple quests. So we need to deploy it again. Okay, in a minute it will compile. Oh, burning manager? What? Okay, there were some migrations added, so it's also trying to run them. Okay, it compiled. Also, I'm curious. Let's check the contract size of simple quests. So as I mentioned, contract can have like a size, a set size. Oh damn it, it's slow. Like I was struggling to get it under 24 kilobytes, and now, as you can see, it's 18. I think that all the remarks from reviewers made it possible to make it a lot smaller. Okay. Let's see. Also, can I request a quest for the character? Because yeah, it's a development environment. I probably have to mint a new character. If I had a quest earlier, it won't work. Yeah, as you can see, the transaction fails. It's definitely won't be a problem anywhere else. It's just development environment. But let me mint a new character. Also, there is a possibility that it's because some mistakes, errors on my side on the contract stuff. As you can see. Okay. So I have to go through request quest again and see what went wrong. Oh yeah, sorry, I forgot. When I deleted the entirety of simple quests contract from my development environment, I also deleted all the quests. So there was nothing to choose from. That's why it failed. So I have to add some quests. Let's do some common quests. At random, it doesn't matter. Okay, and now we should be able to roll. Because level 1 is having like, okay, maybe not. It should have 100% chance for common quest. Yeah. Also, maybe let's focus on displaying it first, and then let's see the flow. Invalid array length. Yeah. Yep. Let's see the store. So the store is a place that connects Solidity and frontend. So for example, I'll have a method for taking like all the quest templates. Yeah, get quest templates for a tier. Yeah, all the stuff here is wrong. Okay, is it returning a correct value? Let's see, the count. Did it compile? Oh, still compiling, what the hell? Now I see we have design for quests. So yeah, design will definitely change. I won't show it to you yet, but yeah, I'll probably in the coming days work on it to make it look nice. Free, okay, that's nice. No leaking, Vika. that shouldn't see the light of day before I implement it. Okay, so the count is correct, but there's something wrong with taking them from the quest templates. So quest templates only have the IDs. I should rework that. I have space for a new view. Let's see. Wait. What do I want to do? How do I want to do it? Not easy to operate with structs because you can't return them to the front end. It would be so easy if I could. Like, there is an experimental feature. It's not implemented yet, so we shouldn't use it in production code. But yeah, I would be able to like just return the quest or quest list, anything like that. Not possible just yet, so I'm returning this stuff, for example, to represent the quest data. Maybe I should get quest templates count. It's used here only. Oh yeah, I know how I can change that. Yeah, Jeffy, it's actually Windows 11. Yeah, I've been using it for half a year, or no, probably 4 months. And yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. It performs really great. There are some things that I liked about Windows 10, but got cut out in Windows 11. But yeah, changes. Overall, it's pretty nice. I like the snapping windows, like how it performs. It performs weird now because I'm like having a weird resolution. Like I have an ultra wide and I'm using a typical resolution of 1980 by whatever, right? But yeah, it's like you have groups, for example, when you have windows, you have a group if you stick them together. So as you can see here, I have Streamlabs, but as well a group of Streamlabs and Discord that I have on the other screen. Small things. Performs nicely. For TR. No, not a quest template, only the IDs. So I should be able to return the IDs array and later map it to the quests. Yeah. So it should. Yeah, let's leave it as count. So I'll need to compile it, and I will have to upgrade the contract to have this view available for me. Okay, this compiled. I have to run the migration again, but I won't just delete the simple quests in entirety because it's not needed. I can just run a simple upgrade. So it will be migrate I think. Is the number correct? Yep. So Jeffy, how are you doing? What are you working on? If you're still here. Okay, so as you can see, the migration is a little different. So you can just upgrade a contract and not delete it entirely, because contract holds data. And I couldn't pretty much upgrade it earlier because I interfered with the data on the contract. So as you know, some things on the blockchain are immutable. So you can't like just change something, like delete the mapping entirely. So all the NFTs that were created just go poof. So I wouldn't be able to change the type here. But as it's not how's my favorite dev after Kevin? Wait, Taloner? I don't know, but ask him. Hi, Sally. Yeah, I'm doing good. I'm actually working on Solidity stuff, so it's painful to watch, in my opinion, but yeah, I try my best. Let's see if we get the quest IDs from the contract. Not a number. Oh yeah, it's not a number. Oh, damn it. Just log it. I want to see. Oh yeah. Yes. Good to hear, good to hear. I'm doing a lot of changes because yeah, Dan noticed some pretty gas-heavy operations on my initial design, so yeah. But this will be way lighter. I hope it will work correctly. We'll see. And what are you up to, Sally? Some CBK stuff? Maybe Sally will leak you something? Oh damn it. An empty, alright, come on. Oh, yes. It worked. Okay, so it gave me the IDs of quests. So that's nice. Okay, now I can use that to iterate. Yeah, and I'll have to get quest info about each quest. So do I have a method for that? Get quest data. Yeah, I do. So this will be an array of quest IDs. Just putting in the backdoor for devs to instantly win all battles. That's great, actually. Yeah, I always wanted that. Just don't tell the players. Huh. As you all know, we have backdoors everywhere, so don't face me in the arena. In CB. Wait, what? How was the for made? Like for something in? Damn it, I forgot. That's painful. Oh yeah, just X in this. So it will be quest ID in yeah, something like that. I need to have type here, right? So let's oh yeah. Okay, quest ID. So now we should use a method of get quest data. Yeah, get quest data and give it quest ID. Const here. Okay, and also I need this. And it should be as quest. Or no? Typings. Okay. That's wild. Will it work? It should be my theme, my like stream theme. Will it work? Let's see if it burns. Why the compilation time is so long? Oh yeah, it's broke. Just perfect. I'm wondering what changed. Because a month ago it was like instant, few seconds, and it's done. And now it's taking eternity or breaking. Invalid array length. Oh, whatever. But come on. Invalid array length. Where? No quest details. Wait, rarity? What's wrong? Requirement type. Okay, let's see. Rarity type undefined. Why is it undefined? Let's log it. I do hate the compilation times here. What the hell? I'm wondering if it's something with my IDE or JavaScript keep out of memory. Let's see what will be locked. Oh, all zeros, nice. And probably the first one. Oh, wait. Why? Marcioneta, I see your text, but I don't know what it means. If it's blaming me, too bad. If we have some translators, please check it out. Maybe it's offensive and we don't want that here. Let me see. I need to have my Twitch open somewhere because I only have Streamlabs. You come in peace, right? Okay. Okay, so the first result is like all zeros. I don't know why. The first quest I added is all zeros. Can I, by any chance, delete it from the template? Let's see. Sorry, let me check something. Okay, quests. Wait. Where do I have my notes? Whatever. What was it called? Delete quest templates. I don't think it will work. Yeah, also tier and index. So it should be 0, 0. It did something. Why is the first quest always empty? What the hell? Okay. Yeah, window. I don't actually know what it is. It was there always. And I think it's on every page. Yeah, see? Not sure what it is. If you're looking for a job, so you, you can get rid of it. Okay. Why is the get quest data giving me all zeros for a quest, like the first quest I give it? Yeah, yikes, it's true. But I'm more concerned over the compilation time and possibly break stuff. I don't know what changed, but it wasn't like that a month ago. Or like a week ago. Some weeks ago. Okay, let me see. I want to get rid of this for this step. And then quest template row. Oh, can it stay like that? Okay, weird. Yeah, can be constant. No, come on. Oh, come on. Yeah, I have to map it earlier. Ah. Oh. Okay, let's just ignore it for a moment. Yeah, I just recompile it, like rerun the process. I don't know, I don't care. It will take eternity and later break. Oh, there's a mobile dashboard of Twitch on the phone. I got a notification. Let's see what it looks like. Maybe I can ban Sally from there. Oh, it logged out. Wait, let me log in. No, I don't want to go live. I'm already live. Come on. Oh, I don't want to watch my stream either. Oh, one error. Right. Quest template is defined but never used. Ah, import error. Thanks for noticing. Now I can recompile. And no, don't say that. I actually broke simple quests for now, trying to make it work again. And what are you working on, Ants? Like your personal projects or stuff? Oh god, formatted. How many lines of code? Yeah, I shouldn't have clicked that. Yeah, it is. Totally. And here there will be so many gas changes, like gas saves, due to some remarks I got from the review. So in the long term, it will be nice for the players. Yes, I found the dashboard. Sally, write something so I can ban you. Just kidding, of course. Just learning. Oh, nice. Great. So some JavaScript, I suppose, for Discord bots. I heard JavaScript is nice. Or something else? Oh, sorry, for that you definitely get banned. Why is it still zeros? Oh, God. Python. Oh, okay. Yeah, Python is great for the beginning of the journey. And overall, Python is great, I heard. Haven't used it, actually. Oh, yeah. Yeah. I saw all the bots that we have on Discord. Nice. It's really useful for people. Okay, what's wrong with get quest data? Quests? Quest ID. Oh, maybe I'm adding it incorrectly to the quests. Alright. Oh, quests, quest ID, and I'm adding an entire struct there. Oh, okay, that's why. I'm stupid. It's the same in all languages, like incrementation after the line. So, like in this example, if next quest ID is 1, and we go to the line, the quest ID is 1, and later it's incremented by 1. But it shouldn't matter here, because I'm not using it anymore. So yeah, it should be correct, because I wanted to increment it after giving it the quest ID. Giving it to the quest ID. Wait, what the hell is wrong? Let's see in the terminal. So get quest data, and 1 should be all zeros, and it's not. Oh yeah, it's yeah, it can be not all zeros. Okay, but 2, for example, yeah, it's. Why is it zeros? Wait. Get quest templates. It gives me the IDs. So these are correct because 3 and 2, it's fine. Later I take this quest IDs. Maybe I can do it like that now. Get quest data, and I give it quest ID. Maybe it should be a number. That's what's wrong. Let's see. Okay, screw it. I'll just rerun the job every time. What can I do with Twitch dashboard? I can timeout Sally, ban Sally, delete his message, or mod user. No thanks. User actions. Oh. Okay, I still don't get it. It's giving me 3 and 2. And for whatever reason, first call to the method gives me all zeros. When used here, you can see the numbers for both of them. Okay, that's weird. I'm getting frustrated. Okay, maybe I'll just add it like this, just to cast it to make sure it works. No, okay. Yeah, whatever. More console logs. Simple quests. Get quest data. Yeah, and that's the method I'm using here. Get quest data. Oh yeah, forgot to rerun it. I have to like take a look into it because I hate it that it's not compiling in like seconds. Sorry. I have to have a macro for like muting myself to, yeah, not blow your ears out. What? For quest ID 0 and quest ID 1? No, don't trigger me. Why? Yeah, simple 4 each defeated me. It's funny. Why is it 0 and 1? It's like the index. But wait. That's hilarious. And I'm doing it with this kind of 4 because I have an await here. And this 4 allows me to do the asynchronous calls here. No, actually it was like earlier it was done with the count of templates, and we iterated over the count because there were no IDs, and now we are actually using the IDs. But from what I see, the problem is like it's not. It should be an array, and it's not. It's like an object that has in indexes, it has quest IDs. So we can't iterate over it. It's just iterating over 0 and 1. So I should add like something wait, how should I map it? freaking solidity. I hate it. Yeah, it should just return an array. But it is an array. It's an object. Oh, come on. Oh, wait. Length is 2, but I'm not using a value. I'm using an index of this particular thing. Clone the array before iterating, perhaps. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. But yeah, what do you mean by clone? Like, what should I do? Is there a collect or something like that, like a map? Yeah, I can probably do like that. Request template IDs is equal to, oh yeah, this to string or not. Like I want to use the value and not. Let's see. Let's just see if this works. Okay, I'll see. Oh yeah, because this is correct here, so yeah. Okay, let's do it. Also, is it from this side or the other side? I think it's from the other side. Or not? No. Okay, you're right. Let's see now. Stop compiling. Let me answer someone. Sorry, I'm back. Let's see if clone works. It didn't. And I think I did what you meant. Yeah. Okay, yeah. I'm wondering why. Yeah, sorry, don't worry about that. I'll handle. It's still using the same things, like the numbers there. I would map it, but it's... I'm wondering if I can do it the other way, so promises all to not use this for. But why is it not working here when it's working everywhere else? I did it many times. No, objects from entries? That's weird. Let's try it out. No, okay, yeah, that's focus. Blockchain sucks, yeah, +1. No, come on, I have to handle that. It's... Like, what the fuck is this? It's an array, so, but it's a key value pair? Or what? It's just a number. I cannot map it like that. Wait, let me see something. If I were to add, where is this console up here? What's different between like this? It will have 6 and 9, obviously. So that's an array of strings, and that's an array of strings, right? No nice in the chat. Come on. Okay. Let's see how it looks. Because maybe there's a difference in there that I don't see. It's the same. Maybe I just don't know how to use the for each. It's possible. Yeah, the contract Sally returns 3 and 2. So the correct IDs of the quests I want to display. But for whatever reason, when I use the for each right here, it uses the index of these values. So 0 and 1. So it's all correct from the blockchain. It's not the blockchain. It's the TypeScript or JavaScript or whatever, yeah. I need to change the stream title to Dev Struggling with For Each. Yes, see? For quest ID 0 and quest ID 1. But before that, we log the quest templates IDs. And it's obviously 3 and 2. Am I missing here something here? Like, just... No, I'm not. It's a for each. That's funny. I could use index of. Oh, it's actually using it here. But yeah, it should. It should. It should. Like it's iterating over the contents of an array, and it should be a string of 2 or 3. Like, okay, if we iterate over this, it should show 6 and 9, right? Maybe I'm missing something here, I don't know. Just baby steps, yeah. Sanity checks. This is a sanity check, because I'm losing my sanity. Shoot, yeah. That's yeah. Okay, if it logs 6 and 9, because it's the same. It's the same. I logged it here. It's all the same. Okay, let's refresh. Slowly, step by step. Check the stuff out. Waste more time on for each. See? For quest ID 0 and quest ID 1. Wait, I am on localhost. Yes, I am. I always checked and I... Okay, so let's go to the basics. For loop in JavaScript. Okay, we can't use this one. We want the for each statement. Do while break. Yeah, for each. Oh yeah, for in. Statement iterates a specific variable over all the enumerable properties of an object. For each distinct property, they actually have to do like 0. I hope not. Like everywhere else, it's not done like this. That I should use the index. Okay, yeah. Let's read the log. Example. Yeah, simple example. But why is it using object? I want to use it in array. God fucking damn it. I see it. Do you? I'm just wondering if you see it. Sally or Ends. I don't know how to pronounce your nickname, Ends. I'm pronouncing it like with a Polish z at the end. I think you see it too. Oh, sorry, you do see it. Oh, why did I use in? It should be off. No. No. In. But it's used like that. Oh, fuck. Okay, yeah, I don't want to look at this. Yeah, it's off everywhere. Everywhere I used it, everywhere anyone else used it. In some legacy stuff, it's in. I'm so done. Okay, let's speed things up. Off. Yeah, fuck weapons grid. Sorry, I don't know who wrote it, but I saw it there. Not PG. Okay, let's go. It should display 2 quests now, or quest templates, right? Back to basics. Yeah, totally. Like, look, we went back to like iterating over an array that I specified with numbers to the documentation of JavaScript, the like loops. So it's lesson after knowing what's let and const, what are variables. So yeah, going back to the basics. Everyone just remember in iterates over like fields in an object, and off iterates over iterable objects, so arrays, maps, and so on. Oh, refresh. It's still building? No, compiled successfully. Right? Okay, yes, it's, something else is wrong. Don't worry about that. Priority type undefined. It's not a string or function. Yeah, but we managed to go. Yeah, one line after the for. Also, I want to check something. Yeah, quest template. Okay, I have to change this here. Oh, that sucks. That's why I hate like solidity and what it returns. For example, earlier I was returning something that had tier, requirement type, and all that stuff, and now it's only having like zeros and like an index. So I will have to change it to 0 and stuff, I think. Yeah. Okay, I can't use type here, so I'm casting it in this line. And we'll have to check it later. Oh, come on. That's cumbersome. Oh, there are 8 of them. Oh yeah, fuck. 0 is an ID. That sucks. I have to change it all the way. Yeah, RIs aren't annoying. The solidity is. Like not solidity, but how it's built and that it can't return objects that have meaningful fields. Even earlier, I could like access. Oh yeah, take a look at this mapping. I hate it. So, for example, here we have the first argument that returns from this function is a size 3 array. So I'm using the 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, and later there are other arguments. And I couldn't like return an struct that has meaningful names. I had to do it like that. Oh, also, I can use this. That's nice. Forgot about it. Yay! We can see the quests. Good job. First programmers' first steps, showing some data on the front end. Oh. Yeah, there are no templates here, here. It's fine. Also, does deleting work? Let's go. Yeah. Working with API data. Oh, nice. Deletion works. That's actually amazing. Okay, I'll add some quests to see if it deletes the correct quest, because I'm worried it can be sketchy and not delete the correct one. But let's see. Let's add like dust one by one, and shield one. Yep. And let's delete the dust one. The dust one is a prequel to the dust 2 CSGO map. Yeah, it deleted the correct one. So that's a check. Oh, so okay. Now the flow of the quests. So I had my new character here. Can I have? I can't. Okay. Let's see what's wrong. Oh yeah, gonna love Solidity for giving meaningful errors. Like there's nothing. Oh yeah. Okay, my bad. This one has a meaningful one because it's mine. Revert quest disabled. Right, I didn't enable the quests. My bad. That's okay. set var, was it? And it was 9.1 probably. Yeah. Okay. Save random. And now rolling the quest. And we got a quest. Nice. Yay. Okay, so the basics work. Ah, shit, I don't have 2-star. I have to mint something. Because I wanted to see if quest progress works. No, also, I'm stupid because I wanted like easier quests. Easier in a meaning of development environment. Can't read properties undefined? Yeah, whatever, okay. Okay, boomer. Okay, what quests do we have? Damn it, why did I do it like that? Come on. I'll add like a lot of these quests because they are easier to do. And we can check if skipping works, if progression works, and if competition works. We're gaining speed, guys. We're at like lesson 3 of programming. Let's skip a quest. Did you roll the same one? Or did it just not work? It could be possible that we rolled the same one. Yeah, and later maybe we can program for CryptoBlades. Savvy. Okay, submission. If you don't know, we're referencing a situation on in the lounge where Sari was talking with someone about programming, and someone told Sari that maybe one day he'll be able to join the CryptoBlades team. I do hope so, Sari. Oh damn it, I skipped. Ah, I wanted to submit more. Now I wanted to skip. Oh damn it, I don't have enough stamina. Ah, a nice tooltip. Not enough stamina to skip this quest. Frontend that works here. Tooltips and stuff. I don't know, Sally, if I can say anything good about you, sorry. Yeah. I do hope for these quests. It's nice that if there's a lot of quests in a tier, you can have all kinds of stuff. Okay, let's reject for a moment. So we should get five stars. Five stars. So that's balanced. 20 weapons. We have 20 weapons. Yeah, whatever it will be, like 22 ID and more. Let's see. Let's complete. Yeah, see, you can do it right here on the stream. Do you want to set up the development environment and do it yourself? Feel free. I can help you out. Oh, also, I've added a model. Let's see if it shows up. Will it show up? It's loading. Yay! Nice model. That shows you the exact NFTs you get. That's a nice reward for 2 1-stars. Oh, no pure? This is pure. Huh, that's funny, Sally. Yeah, Tourist asked me the other day about the 9 weapons showing on Forge 10, and it's not merged yet because I didn't do it on a separate branch. I thought that simple quests will be merged, like this day. So I'm stupid. High average. Yeah. It's only here. I don't have a single 5-star on production, and that's a shame. I didn't win any giveaway, and yeah, I didn't mint it. The highest I have is probably even 3-star. Yeah, I guess. Okay, completed. Nice, reputation added. New quest rolled. Like new quest, it's the same actually, but yeah. Okay, so that works. What else? What else? What else? Promo quests. Yeah, I would like to check if promo quests work. So I would like to have 5 shields for 5 trinkets, and it will be a promo quest. Because I'm not sure if that works. Yeah, the numbers should be discussed like a lot, because yeah, the quests progression, how much reputation do you need and how much do you get from quests, all that stuff. Yeah, there's a lot. Okay, we have 2 quests. Okay, so I want to check. Oh, yeah, for example, let's update the stamina cost to 0 to be able to roll. That's how we roll. Okay, toggle promo quest usage. Ah, nice loadings on that stuff. Everyone loves it, and it's true. Okay. Let's see if we can roll the new quest. So we should get shield quest or dust quest. Added to. Yes. Okay. That's good. Okay, I'm surprised that it all worked out pretty nicely. Let me see something. Okay, so we changed how the quests are stored and quest templates used, because quest templates are just the IDs. And quests reside right there. Okay, so the person can have. Okay, also I don't need that. What's it doing here? Yeah, it's not used anywhere. Let's delete. So quests are unique. You can complete. Okay, yeah, I had to wrap up my things, my head around some stuff. Okay, also, there was an idea to add one free skip each day. But that's for later, I think. Let's review changes I've made. Let's commit it if it works. Yeah, so mainly we changed how we store the quest templates. Oh, also I don't need get quest templates count anymore. Let's see. Okay. Add new quest template is using the next quest ID. Yeah, so the most gas heavy operation was this line, because it was like duplicating the entire quest to the new RI and assigning it the ID. So yeah, that was dirty, and now generate new quest is a lot lighter because it's just taking the ID of an existing quest and like tailoring it with a character. So that's nice. Oh yeah, I wanted to optimize stuff at the add quest. If it's possible. If not, we'll just ignore it and leave that application here. Because basically promo quests aren't stored in a separate array because it would be wasteful. It's just stored on an index that's incremented by 10. So when we switch to promo quests, we're just using like tier 11 instead of 1. That's the gas saving idea basically behind the promo quests and how they're stored. Right, tier is used here, here, and here. Add new quest template. Maybe I should add something like add new quest and I don't know if it's worth it. Add new quest and it would take all the inputs necessary. So this thing is huge inputs. Okay, and it will be internal. And it would use this. Okay. What's with the formatting here? Oh yeah, sorry, I misplaced it. So this would add it here. Is it worth it? Hope so. Quest ID. Oh, I don't have to do that. That's a nice feature of Solidity. You can just do it like that. I think. No, returns. Sorry, returns. Internal returns. Oh, how was it? Sorry, I forgot. Let me check something. Oh, this is how you initialize it. Yeah, that's what I wanted, I think. Yeah. Just something like this. Okay, so 256, and this will be quest ID. Okay, so what this essentially does is in a return statement, not statement, but declaration. In a return declaration, you say that you're returning quest ID. That's an uint of 256, and it basically means that you initialize the quest ID, then you assign it, of course, use it, and when the method changes ends, it will return quest ID. I don't think we need memory here. Tips and tricks with Chriserus. Okay, and let's use our new method here. Oh, come on. Why is it not? Oh yeah, it's here. Thanks. Copilot. Add new quest, and it returns quest ID and assigns it to a particular tier. Yeah, I like it. We can use it here as well. Add new quest. Yeah, and we are pushing the quest ID. Should work. Okay, is there internal section? Or should I leave it as is there? I leave it. Okay, does it compile? That's a nice question. Will it work? I don't think I need memory here, but probably... Yeah, I don't remember. Compilation will tell. Yep. Oh, generate new quest. Wait, what? Function state mutability can be restricted to view. Generate new quest? Wait, what? Generate new quest. It can be used as view? Oh yeah, it's just looking up the index. Yeah, naming is from earlier. Private view, that's nice. It will be lighter, because views are free. Increment quest progress rate. Why is quest ID not used? Oh. That's right. I don't need it. Oh, I didn't see it earlier. Oh yeah, it's from my changes. Earlier it was used, but it's not used anymore. Oh, okay. They find all the stuff. That's okay. It should be here, basically. And I should have quest progressed emit inside because it's changed. Yeah. Contract size shrinking again. Okay, let's compile and see if any other warnings show up. Unused local variable. Okay, okay. Let's see. Line 293. Quest data. Why? Don't know. Won't ask. Yep, no warnings from simple quests. That's nice. Okay, let's one more time go over the changes I've made. Why are there like pretty much no changes on the front end side? Like only here. It's weird. I need to delete console logs. No trailing spaces. Yeah, sorry. Do your thing, ID. Not quest admin this. Simple quests. Yep, that's fine. Okay, what next? Okay, I'll need to check something. Yeah, I have to read something and maybe we'll do something else as well. I know I had small notes for the front end stuff, so I probably do this if there's nothing huge to be done. Oh, also, I wanted to check quest deletion. Yeah, it's fine, okay. Shouldn't be a problem, I think. Or yeah, I'll delete some quests just to be sure, because I'm worried I did a mistake there. So it should delete one of them, for example. Okay, 1 star, blah, blah, blah. Delete. Yep, correct one, got deleted. So the logic here is fine. I'm wondering. Oh yeah, because it's based on the index and not the ID, like the quest ID. So, like an array that frontend gets is in the same order as the array on the blockchain. So if we delete the index there and then refresh, of course, after the action, it's deleting the correct template. That's fine. Yeah, I do. I do listen to music. It's for the streams I use the lo-fi hip hop. Yeah, and sometimes personally I also listen to it. But yeah, when I'm coding alone, I'm using some music that that's not appropriate for the stream. Also the copyright strikes and all that stuff. But yeah, I do like to have music on. But yeah, some days I'm just sitting quietly and doing stuff, and it doesn't bother me. I saw a remark earlier. I don't remember where it was. I wanted to check it out and correct it if possible. Okay, I'll do the small things I've noted during the stream. So basically I want to add a warning for the user when submitting stuff. Oh, damn it, I don't have a quest that's nice for that. I have to create it. When you submit stuff, I don't want you to like submit too much, because the contract allows it, so you can burn more than enough and it won't change anything, basically. Yeah, but a nice warning, small visual warning would be sufficient, I guess. Okay. Oh, promo quests are on. Oh. Ah, not enough events. Come on. Yo, doing some corrections for simple quests. Mainly. Yeah, I've noted some things during my stream, and yeah, I wanted to give it a shot, add it to the front end. Yeah, getting trinkets. I have a nice luck for the quests rewards here on stream. Shame that I don't have the same luck on production. Because yeah, we had a quest that required one star sword. Oh yeah, this quest, but it requires 2 for 5-star swords, and there were some nice percentages on the swords. Okay, so basically what I want to do is that you can submit more than enough for the quests. So I could either show a warning here, or not allow more than needed weapons here. And I think the second solution would be nice. So if the required amount is like equal to the ones we have here, you shouldn't be able to click another one. Yeah. Okay, so let's get going. It should be quest submission model, yeah. Weapon grid, remove burn token. Okay, so it should be add burn token. Yeah, that's nice. It won't let users users could actually see that something's wrong and they shouldn't add more swords. Okay, add burn token. Do I have a quest here somewhere? I do. And I should have progress. Yeah, quest progress. And quest progress is assigned. Yeah, it is. So we have both quest and quest progress. No, quest progress. No, whatever. This quest and return if it's not there. Requirement amount. So if this quest progress and this token's the burn length is more than requirement amount, let's not do the action. Basically. What are the rewards from doing quests? Well, basically, I can't actually say specifically what are the rewards because it's up to people that will actually add quests. I made it possible to add all sorts of things, but many of them won't be used. Please note, many of them won't be used. There is a possibility to add a quest of type, like requirement type of weapon, junk, dust, trinket, shield, and raid, and reward type of weapon, junk, dust, trinket, shield, and experience. As I said, not all of them will be used, maybe ever. I just added it for the sake of like being possible later or on a special event. Yeah. Marketing people, please don't kill me. Okay, let's see if it's refreshed. It didn't. Okay. Let me refresh. Oh, maybe marketing guys can say tell you which like rewards will be available. That's nice. Thanks, guys. Oh yeah, nice. It's locked, so you cannot add more than it's needed. Let's check one more thing. So I've added one sword, so it will be 1 out of 2. And let's have a model open again and see. Oh, damn it. No pressure, yeah? All the leaks here. Oh, damn it. Okay, and it should allow me to add only one sword. Yeah. Oh, you can give me feedback instantly if that's the correct solution for not allowing users to like give more than enough for the quest progression. Basically, I'm locking them not being able to add more tokens if it's more than enough. Just the idea. Okay, and we can complete it. Thanks. I've upgraded my gear. Yeah, and added a second monitor so I can actually have some privacy on stream, because earlier I was like locked out of Discord. for the time being, and now I can actually, yeah, write with you guys. And yeah, the camera, of course. And the microphone is temporary, I think, because it's just a Pi microphone or something like that. We'll see where it goes. Nice. Oh, check it out. From submitting to 1 stars. That's a nice loot. Thanks for the follow, Clark. Sheesh. No pure, like, 1 element sort. Shame. Yeah, and also you can see the quest complete model that I've done. You can actually see the NFTs you got for all the types, of course. So shields and stuff. Also, I got designs from graphics team, so I will later implement it. Oh, of course, off stream. Do not show people it before, only after implementation. But yeah, I do hope it will go to testnet. Oh, nice! My first raid! Clark, thanks. Party of 4. Hello. Yeah, never received a raid before, so that's nice. Whatever the numbers, right? Okay, so there was one more thing I didn't like. Where was it? I think. Okay, let's add this quest. Like, I want to have numbers in the requirement section. So whatever. Yeah, let's add rare. Oh yeah, this. Okay, let's add. I don't know why it's like aligned left here. So let me take a look. Clark gang. Nice. Whoa, that's left. Center. Yeah, that's nicer. I'll have to add it quest details, I guess. Is there a class for that? Text center. Yeah. Let's see. Also, the idea of raids is like when you have some viewers, you can just like toss them to another channel, right? That's the raids on Twitch. You probably motivated me to do it after my stream, so like I have 9 viewers now, so huge Chriserus gang. Yeah, it looks better. Okay, so that was small. Is there anything else for this part? Because I'm ending soon. Been here a while, had some pretty devastating stuff going on earlier. You can check it out on YouTube probably. CryptoBlades when it's up there. Okay. Yeah, I think I've made all the contract changes necessary today. Yeah, so probably. Yeah, sorry, Cleric Gang, but you came here just before I wanted to end my stream. But I want to, if there's a stream online, I want to do a raid, if you don't mind, because I never done it. But let me see how I can do it. Oh, there's no one from my team. Shame. Okay, I don't know where to direct you guys. So maybe next time we'll do a raid. Yeah, so just thank you for the stream and for being here, listening to me and struggling with Solidity this time around. Yeah, first Solidity stream, so let's go. Thanks guys again, and yeah, see you next time. Bye.